Hello, this is Rob with CTM Unlimited Auctions. Today I've got a 1969 Jeep Gladiator J3000 four-wheel drive V8. It's going to go no reserve, sold to the highest bidder. This is going to be on December 6th, 2020. This is a really nice truck. It's powered by a Buick 350. I know there's a couple of different motors for this one. You see a comment that these are 360s, the AMC, but this one is a Buick from the factory. And I'm going to do a walk around and start up. Like I said, this is going to go no reserve through our auction. I've got... This truck is nice. It's not Pebble Beach by any means. However, it is a really nice example. It has got a winch in the front. Really a super nice truck. Lots of, I mean, the truck's beautiful. I can't get enough. The bumper is really nice. It's got nice wheels and tires. It's got like Line-X over the fender, the wheel wells. The bed is in good shape. The tires look good. Oh, we got a worm. Really a super sharp truck. You don't see these very much anymore. So I'm outside of Oakville. I needed a vehicle and I thought I'd grab this Jeep, and it runs and drives really nice. It cruises right along at 55. That's the speed limit here on the highway. I am just kind of in between Rochester and Oakville doing this video, and this truck is just absolutely gorgeous. Phenomenal truck, fun to drive. You don't see these very often. Like I said, it's no reserve on the 20th, or excuse me, the 6th. Really a cool truck. Lots of tread on here. Kind of geeking out on this truck. It's custom cab. Like I said, it's got all the logos. Jeep V8 350, J3000 four-wheel drive. All right, let's look to the interior. I did pass. It does come with a. Not my coffee. A charger. It's kind of the same generation. I took this stuff out just to show the truck. Door cards seem to be in really good shape. It's got a seat cover, which I haven't investigated underneath it or taken it off. It's probably been there for quite a few years. I mean, you can't even get a seat cover that like this anymore. So, really a nice truck. Got a fire extinguisher. It is four-wheel drive, like I said. And these doors just close nice. I mean, just... They don't sag, they don't hang. And the other door is just like this one. It's just a really nice closing door. All right. So... your heater, the heater fan works on. It's defrosted my window. Wipers work. Headlights come on. It seems like it's got your vents. I'm still trying to figure out what goes where. I'm not a Jeep connoisseur by any means. You could rock out with a cassette player. I'm not sure if that's original or not. You do have your controls for the winch over here. And overall, I mean, it's not in bad shape. There's a little bit of shrinkage to the dash here. It's kind of pulled up around here, but not terribly bad. The headliner it's kind of like a hard, but it looks like it's just kind of bent a little bit, just over years, over age. You know, it happens. The visors stay up. This is just a cool truck. So let's give it a start. And it fires right up. You know, it's runs nice. fires right up. Really a cool truck. So this is Rob with CTM Unlimited Auctions, and this is going to go through our auction December 6th at 1 o'clock. And the wipers here. It's always nice because it's been raining. And those work just fine. The glass is in good shape. I don't see any cracks or anything. This is going to go through auction. Sorry, I got off topic. This is going to go through auction the 6th of December. No reserve, sold to the highest bidder. Really a super cool truck, 4x4, powered by Buick 350, single cab Jeep Gladiator. If you have any questions about this, you can bid online or you could bid in person. So you could bid live in person, or you can come out and preview it anytime this week and next week, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. Come out, preview it. We encourage third-party inspections, in-person inspections. We do have a none of the vehicles belong to us. This is a charity donation peer sale, and this one is going to go through no reserve, and you can have we have an ASE certified master tech that can go through. If you don't feel comfortable previewing yourself, you can have our service do an inspection for $75, and they'll go through and take a look at mechanic ability and all that good stuff. Really, it's a super cool truck. The doors fit real nice. It's gonna have probably new weather stripping. Is gonna be, like I said, it's not Pebble Beach, but man, there's, you know, it's got nice paint, but there's a couple of chips in it where you're starting to get some surface rust. But overall, it's not that bad. This is just a really cool truck. You don't see these. Come out and preview it in person. It's going to be about 2 weeks. I'm shooting this on November 25th. Yeah, today's the 25th, so it's a Thursday. Wednesday, I have no idea what day it is. But it's just a nice truck. Come out, preview it in person, like I said. Really a nice truck. Door cards all look good. Brakes feel okay. Just a nice truck. And it's no reserve, selling to the highest bidder. So that, once again, this is Rob, CTM Unlimited Auction. Preview this vehicle in person. Come out, take a look at it. It's such a nice truck. Really kind of a rare animal. Probably become more valuable as time goes on. Just an absolute beauty. So once again, this is Rob, CTM Unlimited Auctions. You can bid on this live in person or online through our website, ctmunlimitedauction.com. Phone numbers 360-273-5808. Thanks for watching.